Stop, don't skip this video. German is not hard, you just learned it wrong. In the next 5 minutes, you will read German like a pro. Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is your German buddy and today we start German from zero. No pressure, no stress, no boring teacher voice. Let me ask you something. When you see German words like this, Schmetterling, you think, bro, what is this language? But relax guys, German starts from ABC just like English. German alphabet has 26 letters, yes, same like English, but wait, some letters are secret agents. They sound different, let's catch them. Repeat after me but loud. A is equal to A with open mouth. A, A, B, B, C, say, not C, say, C, say, D, they, E, A, short and sweet, A, E, A. Good job, you sound German already. If someone hails you now, they'll say, is this kid German? Let's continue. F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, smile, a big smile, I, E, J, yacht. Wait, this one is important. English, yes, German, ja, but guess what? J sounds like Y. So, ja is equal to ja, not ja. Easy win. K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O. Take a breath. Still alive? Good. P, P, Q, Q, R, L, S, S, T, T. Fun fact. German W is not W. It's V. It's V sound. Water, German Wasser. Okay? Wasser. Mind blown. U sound U. V, V, W, V, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Remember only this today. A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. If you know this, German will respect you. Believe me, if you know this, German will respect you. Quick challenge, say this fast. A, E, O, U. Again, A, E, O, U. Okay, now comment below, I did it. If this was fun, like this video,